Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. 1200 CHD Harley Sporty Bob coming at you with another video, and today we're at the Sketchy Garage with this red bricks, 2 on the kickstand, side kick, and 2 under the chassis, 4, 5 under the chassis, holding the bike up. Scared to move the bike, to tell you the truth, because on the other side what's holding it up is just that alone, that 2x4 just resting on it, so you have some support. What we're going to be doing today is checking out the clutch. We're going to adjust the clutch, open the derby cover, open the inspection case. Not the primary case, just the inspection box. See how the chain is, because I got it up top on the clutch lever adjusted right using a nickel. Having that space here, let me show you clearly what I mean by that. That's all the play you need. That's adjusted right. The space using the nickel right there, nickel should fit in that gap, so that's adjusted right. But the clutch still, what would I say, what's the correct verbiage here? Help me out. For all my old school riders who know, it's releasing late. So we're going to check the inspection box, adjust the derby spring from the derby cover. Now I'm going to rest this phone down, do that, and make another video, because I still haven't had a chance so I can edit my videos and make all one. But basically what we're going to do is, once I open the derby cover, I'm going to show you how to adjust